Hey there! Welcome back to my channel where we discuss all things social media marketing. In today's video, we'll be talking about one of the most effective ways to monetize your social media content: building an email list. By building an email list, you can directly reach your audience with your product or services and increase your chances of making a sale. So, let's get started. Tip 1. Create an incentive to sign up. The first step to building an email list is to create an incentive for your audience to sign up. This could be a free ebook, a discount code, or access to exclusive content. Whatever it is, make sure it's valuable and relevant to your target audience. Tip 2. Include opt-in forms on your website and social media pages to capture email addresses. You'll need to include opt-in forms on your website and social media pages. This can be done through a variety of tools such as lead generation software, pop-ups, or even in your social media bio. Just make sure the forms are eye-catching and easy to fill out. Tip 3. Offer a welcome series. Once someone signs up for your email list, it's important to keep them engaged. Consider offering a welcome series of emails that introduce them to your brand, provide value, and encourage them to continue opening your emails. When someone signs up for your email list, it's important to make them feel welcomed and engaged. One way to do this is to offer a welcome series of emails that are automatically sent out to new subscribers. The welcome series typically includes a series of 2 to 5 emails that introduce the subscriber to your brand, provide value, and encourage them to continue opening your emails. In the first email of the series, you can introduce yourself and your brand, provide a brief overview of what the subscriber can expect from your emails, and offer a special incentive or freebie for signing up. In subsequent emails, you can provide more value, such as exclusive content, helpful tips, or special offers. The goal of the welcome series is to establish a relationship with the subscriber, build trust, and encourage them to continue opening and engaging with your emails. By providing value in the welcome series, you increase the likelihood that the subscriber will become a loyal follower and potentially a paying customer in the future. Tip 4. Segment your email list. Not all of your subscribers will have the same interests or needs. To ensure you're sending relevant content, segment your email list based on factors such as demographics, interests, or purchase history. This will increase the effectiveness of your emails and help you avoid sending irrelevant content. Tip 5. Provide value with your emails. Your subscribers have given you their valuable email address, so make sure you're providing value in return. This could be in the form of educational content, special offers, or insider information. Make sure your emails are engaging and provide a reason for your subscribers to keep opening them. Segmenting your email list means dividing it into smaller groups based on specific criteria such as age, location, interests, or behaviors. This strategy helps you to tailor your email content and offers to the specific interests and needs of each group, increasing the relevance of your messages and the chances of conversion. For example, if you are a beauty blogger promoting skincare products, you may want to create separate email lists for subscribers interested in anti-aging products, makeup, or acne treatments. By sending personalized content to each list, you'll improve engagement and retention, and ultimately increase your chances of monetizing your social media content. Tip 6. Use a call to action, CTA. Every email you send should have a clear call to action, CTA. Whether it's to make a purchase, sign up for a course, or simply read your latest blog post, make it clear what you want your subscribers to do. A call to action, CTA, is a statement or instruction that prompts your email subscribers to take a specific action. It's important to include a CTA in every email you send, as it directs your subscribers to take action and helps to achieve the desired outcome for your email campaign. Your CTA should be clear and specific, and it should relate to the content of your email. It can be placed at the beginning, middle, or end of your email, but it should stand out and be easy to locate. Some examples of CTAs that you can use include: click here to learn more. Get your free trial now. Sign up for our webinar. Shop now and receive 10% off. Download our ebook for free. By using a CTA, you're encouraging your subscribers to engage with your brand and take the next step towards a conversion. Make sure to test different CTAs to see which ones resonate best with your audience and lead to the most conversions. Tip 7. Analyze your results and adjust. As with any marketing strategy, it's important to analyze your results and adjust your approach as needed. Keep track of your open and click-through rates and experiment with different email formats, subject lines, and CTAs to see what works best for your audience. The point "analyze your results and adjust" emphasizes the importance of regularly monitoring and evaluating the effectiveness of your email marketing campaigns. This involves tracking key performance indicators, KPIs, such as open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and unsubscribe rates. By analyzing these metrics, you can gain insights into what's working and what's not, and make informed decisions on how to improve your email content and strategy. To effectively analyze your results, you can use email marketing software that provides detailed metrics and reports. Once you have identified areas that need improvement, you can make adjustments to your email content, timing, frequency, or segmentation. For example, if you find that your open rates are low, you may want to experiment with different subject lines or try sending your emails at a different time of day. Tip 8. Don't spam your subscribers. Last but not least, don't spam your subscribers. Sending too many emails or irrelevant content can lead to high unsubscribe rates and damage your brand's reputation. Be respectful of your subscribers' time and inbox, and only send emails that provide value and are relevant to their interests. Tip 9. Create a lead magnet. A lead magnet is a free resource that you offer to your social media followers in exchange for their email address. This could be anything from a free ebook to a mini course or a free webinar. The key is to make sure that your lead magnet is highly relevant to your audience and provides value that they can't find elsewhere. Once you have their email address, you can continue to build a relationship with them through regular newsletters and promotional emails. Tip 10. Use social media advertising. While organic reach on social media is becoming increasingly difficult to achieve, social media advertising offers a highly targeted way to reach potential subscribers. Use the targeting capabilities of platforms like Facebook and Instagram to create ads that are highly relevant to your target audience, and include a clear call to action that encourages them to sign up for your email list. Remember to track your results and adjust your targeting and messaging as needed to optimize your ad campaigns. There you have it, 10 tips for building an email list to monetize your social media content. Remember, building an email list takes time and effort, but it's one of the most effective ways to reach your audience and increase your chances of making a sale. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more social media marketing tips. Thanks for watching.